Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Calculus problems involving critical points are actually super simple once you learn the right steps. Let us break this down quickly to find every single point. First, recall that critical points occur where the derivative is 0 or undefined. Looking at the graph, the function crosses the x-axis at x equals 4 and x equals 8. Next, check for discontinuities. There is a jump discontinuity at x equals 7. Since the derivative is undefined there, x equals 7 is a critical point for the function f. Finally, consider the point x equals 9. The graph is tangent to the x-axis, meaning f prime is 0. Since f is continuous, this is a critical point. Total count is 4. Smart move! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid skipping tangency or missing jumps. Always verify undefined points and count all the zeros.